In this video, I will show you how to update TIN ID address online in the Philippines. So the first thing you need to do is go to BIR website, search for this URL bir.gov.ph, and after that, click on e-services. Click on this online registration and update, and then click on update, click on this update of registration, and then click on login. So to log in, you need to type your email and password, and then check the I'm not a robot, and then click on login. So the next thing you need to do is to fill out this application. So it has a 4-page, and then it has a lot. So to fill out this, so make sure that the application is for update, correction, and cancellation. So you need to fill out this by downloading the PDF file, and then by printing it, and then picture it, and then scan it. And then after that, you need to send this application to the website. And then once you send it, you need to wait for a few days to have an update on this application. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.